Hi there, Habibi here. In this video I'm going to add a simple UI interface for our game to show the player what objects are already collected and what objects are not collected yet. I will create an image element UI here on my existing game canvas. I will add image element. I will call it inventory list. Press F to focus on the element. I will make it full screen this way. I prefer to make it black and reduce its opacity a little bit. Here I'm going to add UI text. Set it on the center of the screen. Center. Type inventory. Set the text color to white, scale it up a bit, the font size, increase the font size, and then I will add another game object. Come on, empty game object, create empty inventory text. Make it full screen this way, and I will add text element. Text element this way. Set its color to white. The font size I will set it to 20. Okay. Here I will name it. We have some objects here, collectible 1 and collectible 2. I will copy the name of this object and paste it here, and also paste it here as a text value of this text UI element, and I duplicate it, change it to collectible 2, and the text change it to 2. Arrange it this way. Yeah, something like this. Let's increase the size a bit, 22, 25. Alright, and then here, player armature, we need to edit the script. Simple inventory, edit script. I will add a public game object variable, public game object inventory list. Go back to the unit editor, and I'm going to use this game object as a reference. Wait a second. You will see this slot here. Drag and drop this inventory text here, and yeah, here what we will do is to create a function, public void reload inventory UI. what we will do here is to do a for each loop. Copy this inventory list variable, GameObject variable, for each item in inventory list dot child. Transform dot child dot what? Hang on. Okay, it is very wrong. The correct one is for each transform item in inventory list dot transform. Okay, and then here we need to check if an item already collected or not. We will call a function something like is collected item. If is collected item, then item dot get component text color. Hang on, we need to create this function first. Is collected. Here I'm going to add public bool is collected, and then string parameter will be string item name. Here we will do the same thing as this one. Is collected. Okay, let me delete this part. If the objects I equals to item name, then return true. If we did not have any object with that name, it will return false. Okay, so this is collected must return the value true or false. Item, the parameter should be string. Item dot GameObject.name. If is collected that GameObject name, what we will do is item get component text. Because we are using text here, we need to use Unity Engine.UI. Okay, color, and then color.green. This way. By default, I want to set those text color to be gray, something like gray. Gray means they are not collected. If they turn to green, it means we already collected the objects. Okay, let me, oh yeah, I forgot to create a toggle button to toggle. Hang on a second, I'm going to add, I already have this button. Let me change its icon to another image. What should I use? Shopping cart. Yeah, just as an example, I'm going to use this shopping cart item, and then this button, like what it will do if I click it. I did not code it yet. I will add here in simple inventory.cs. I'm going to add a public game object, inventory UI. Here I will add a function, public void show inventory UI. I will paste the inventory UI that set active true, and I will create another one, public void show hide inventory UI. I will do the opposite thing here to hide the inventory UI false. By default, I will call this hide inventory UI here, and don't forget to set the reference of the inventory UI. Click this player armature object, scroll down here, this inventory list. Let me just rename this inventory UI, and the object inventory list. This one should be inventory list. Yep. Okay. Let me play the game. Oh. Hang on. Let me try to show the inventory UI. Oh, I did not set the on click button. Let me rename it inventory. Here, player armature, simple inventory, show inventory, and here in this inventory UI, we will add a button to close the inventory tab, the inventory UI. I will place it at the bottom of the UI, the screen. Close, and on click list, I will add this player armature, simple inventory, hide the inventory UI. Let's run the game. Open the inventory UI. They are gray. Did we call the function here? Destroy collected object, load inventory data. I think I forgot to call this function. No, not this one. This one, reload inventory UI. Here, I need to reload inventory UI here. Let me call it here. Alright, let's try to run the game. So play. Let's check the inventory UI. We have those two object names in green. It means we already have them. Okay, to demonstrate it more clearly, I will add another game object. Let me hide it first. I will add the third one, funny item. I will call it funny item, and let me check. I will place it here upstairs. Okay, I will place it here. And for the inventory UI, don't forget to add the third list, funny item. Let's place it here below of those two items. Okay, let's try. Okay, hang on, not this one. I'm going to call this reload inventory UI. I will call it again here when I save the inventory data. No, when I collect new object. Alright, let's try to play the game. Click play button after this loading is over. Play it. Right now we have two objects in our inventory list, collectible 1 and collectible 2, but we don't have this funny item. We need to find it. Where is it? I'm sure that it is upstairs. Let me find it and collect it. Here it is. Let me collect it. Yep, check the inventory UI. We have those three items. Alright guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you like it. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. See you next time on my next videos. Bye bye. Oh yeah, I need to kill myself as usual.